Hello, Bon, my... Huh? Hello, Bon, my lovely girl. Hello. Where's Alfred? Now quiet. Hello, you two lovely dogs. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hello, you two. You quiet. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everybody. Hello. The fuck do a video about it? Pops nearly jumped the gate. Right, so you two ready to go downstairs then? Right, come on then, down you come, boy. Good man. Now, don't squish each other. Now do some empty cramming. Hello, Junior. Morning. Morning, girl. Oh, she back. Hello, girl. Oh, Fred. Ah. Yeah, she's pushing. Hey, get down. Hello, mate. Hello, my man. Hello, my girl. Oh, Fred. The morning of me. Hey, get up in the morning and I have this. Get down. Fred. Get down, Badge. Badge. Get down. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy. This is the pups. They've growed it up. Overnight. They've grown it up. Ow! They've grown it up. Oh, they've grown it up. Hey, let's get down. Stop jumping up to me. There's Bon, the lovable mother, and there's a kid. Stop sniffing me. And stop barking. Quiet. Oh, sorry, Badger. I didn't mean to knee you. And Fred. Stop licking, Badge. Stop licking me, gorgeous. Bite. Your son and Barney just looking at you saying, what the fuck are you doing, Alfred? And your daughter's come to investigate. Stop licking! Alfred! Shut up! Badge starts licking my finger, and I stick my finger out. Lick my finger. No, not pull my finger, lick my finger. Don't bite! Hey? What's that? Now, Junior, let's have a look at Junior, the nice boy. Hey? Don't know what else to say, but they are 8 months, I think, but they're born April. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. They're 9 months old. Don't know if it's today. Paw. Give me a paw. No, not jump up. I meant give me paw. Then you give me paw and then you jump down, so it makes it look like I'm grabbing hold of you, taking you, abducting you. Badge, don't you dare start jumping up to me with a wet tongue. Something you love to do, eh? You have a drink, right? And then she just starts licking me when she has a wet tongue. Horrible. She has a wet tongue, right? I'm gonna mute the TV. I'm gonna mute the televisional thing. You quiet. You. Hey, excuse me, Badger. You don't have a go at your brother. Sister brotherly love now, come on. Sisterly brotherly love, that is one mad dog. Round and around and around and around all day long. So I saw the YouTube's video gone good as it did. It's got like 50 views as of recording. As you can see, it's wrist time. That's what time is. It's wrist. A few hairs on the wrist with a shiny wrist for some reason. Excuse me, you two, stop. But how about does it for this video? Bon, do you want to say anything for end the video? Badger? Yeah, bark. Thanks. Alfred, but how about does it for this video? As always, thanks for watching. And as Carlos was always used to slash, don't get slash, loves me saying goodbye.